how to create an Amazon Flex account in the UK. So what you want to do is open up the browser on your phone and go search for Amazon Flex UK. Open up this first website, flex.amazon.co.uk. And here, once we're taken to this website, just going to accept the privacy. It's going to tell us that we can make 14 to 18 pounds an hour. Click on the three lines in the top left and then how it works and getting started. Now here it's going to show us that we need to reserve a block once we have downloaded the app and set up your account. So once you download the app, you will get to go through the account creation process. So here we will just set up our account, pass a background check, you will make your deliveries and you will get paid. So what you want to do is click on download on the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then this is going to take us to this page, get the application, and then you can go through the sign up in the app itself. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.